Hey yo, it's called drinking and cheating. Straight chicken has. Ready? Y'all
Ready.
follow if you slow.
Right.
Listen to my boy. Hey yo. I was creeping with Hennessy when Tangeray caught me. She said she was telling Alizé. I called that page my girl Cavassier. Peep the shit that she would say while I was drinking on E&J. Hennessy ripped the trend, I'm breaking these freaks in. Fly cocker spaniel shotgun with Jack Daniel. Pummels on in her thong, sitting on the dorm, Perignon. Cass and Cream caught me on the scheme to fuck a pretty thing. We find these bitches 90 berries, 90 bananas. So quaking, she can't even stand up. Cristal got him like pull my pants down and fuck a bourbon. Remy Martin got a slobbing while vodka watching. We getting her more wet. Foreplay, Corona's lemon Bacardi. 151, thanks for daiquiris. Her legs behind her head show me the whiskey. We name drinks after peeps. If you sip on me, you say I'm nasty. Drink a fifth of CeeLo, you daddy ghost. Sipping with the chief, sipping a Crystal P. Y'all could keep the leaf. Moms and pops mix me. Really, would you make it rum and whiskey?